Advanced vocabulary for law and justice is crucial for discussing legal matters, courtroom proceedings, and the broader legal system. Here's a detailed explanation with examples. 1. Legal terminology. 1.1 Adjudicate. 1. Definition: to make a formal judgment or decision. 2. Example: the court will adjudicate on the matter next week. 1.2 Jurisprudence. 1. Definition: the theory or philosophy of law. 2. Example: she is well versed in the complex field of legal jurisprudence. 1.3 Admissible. 1. Definition: allowed or acceptable in a court of law. 2. Example: the evidence was deemed admissible by the judge. 1.4 Habeas corpus. 1. Definition: a writ requiring a person under arrest to be brought before a judge or into court. 2. Example: the defense attorney filed a petition for a habeas corpus hearing. 2. Legal entities. 2.1 Plaintiff. 1. Definition: a person who brings a case against another in a court of law. 2. Example: the plaintiff is seeking damages for breach of contract. 2.2 Defendant. 1. Definition: an individual, company, or institution sued or accused in a court of law. 2. Example: the defendant entered a plea of not guilty. 2.3 Litigant. 1. Definition: a person involved in a lawsuit. 2. Example: the litigants reached a settlement before going to trial. 2.4 Prosecutor. 1. Definition: a government lawyer who brings legal charges against a person or organization. 2. Example: the prosecutor presented a compelling case to the jury. 3. Legal processes. 3.1 Deposition. 1. Definition: the process of giving sworn evidence. 2. Example: the witness provided a detailed deposition to the court. 3.2 Injunction. 1. Definition: a court order prohibiting or compelling specific actions. 2. Example: the judge issued an injunction to halt the construction project. 3.3 Subpoena. 1. Definition: a writ ordering a person to attend a court. 2. Example: she received a subpoena to testify as a witness. 3.4 Affidavit. 1. Definition: a written statement confirmed by oath or affirmation. 2. Example: the witness submitted an affidavit to support the claim. 4. Legal principles. 4.1 Presumption of innocence. 1. Definition: the principle that one is considered innocent until proven guilty. 2. Example: the presumption of innocence is a fundamental right in legal systems. 4.2 Due process. 1. Definition: fair treatment through the normal judicial system. 2. Example: the defendant is entitled to a due process of law. 4.3 Pro bono. 1. Definition: professional work undertaken voluntarily without payment. 2. Example: the lawyer provided pro bono services for the non-profit organization. 4.4 Restitution. 1. Definition: the restoration of something lost or stolen to its proper owner. 2. Example: the court ordered the thief to pay restitution to the victim. 5. Legal concepts. 5.1 Precedent. 1. Definition: a legal decision or form of proceeding serving as an authoritative rule. 2. Example: the judge considered the relevant precedent in reaching the decision. 5.2 Adversarial system. 1. Definition: a legal system where opposing parties present evidence and arguments in a court of law. 2. Example: common law countries often follow an adversarial system. 5.3 Mens rea. 1. Definition: the intention or knowledge of wrongdoing. 2. Example: the prosecutor must establish the defendant's mens rea to prove criminal intent. 5.4 Ex parte. 1. Definition: a legal proceeding brought by one person in the absence of and without representation or notification of other parties. 2. Example: an ex parte motion was filed for an emergency restraining order. Conclusion: a strong vocabulary in law and justice is essential for professionals in the legal field and for anyone engaging in discussions on legal matters. These terms provide clarity and precision when navigating the complex world of law, ensuring effective communication and understanding of legal concepts.